When it comes to creating a cinematic experience at home, few brands deliver as consistently as Sony. The Sony HT-S40R 5.1ch Dolby Audio soundbar lives up to the brand's reputation, providing an immersive audio experience that transforms your living room into a mini theater. This review will walk you through its features, benefits, and customer feedback to help you decide if it's the perfect match for your entertainment needs. Key features of the Sony HT-S40R. True 5.1ch surround sound. The system comprises a 3-channel soundbar, wireless rear speakers, and a powerful subwoofer. Together, they produce an expansive, full-frequency sound that captures the subtle nuances of dialogues, music, and sound effects, ensuring an immersive surround sound experience. Wireless rear speakers. Say goodbye to cluttered wires. The rear speakers connect wirelessly via an amplifier, making installation hassle-free and keeping your space neat and organized. 600 W power output. With an impressive total power output of 600 W, the HT-S40R delivers rich, room-filling sound, ensuring every movie scene or music track bursts with life. Dolby Audio. The incorporation of Dolby Digital enhances audio clarity and depth, providing a high-quality surround sound experience ideal for movies, music, and gaming. Versatile connectivity. The soundbar offers multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth, HDMI ARC, USB, optical input. If you own a Sony Bravia TV, you can also enjoy seamless wireless audio connection for a clean setup. Customer insights. Pros. Excellent sound quality. Customers rave about the crystal-clear audio and deep bass, describing it as comparable to a theater experience. Ease of installation. Many appreciate the simple and quick setup process, with detailed instructions and professional support available. Wireless connectivity. The wireless rear speakers and multiple connectivity options make it user-friendly and versatile. Value for money. Priced competitively, the HT-S40R offers a premium home theater experience without breaking the bank. Cons. Volume for 5.1 content. Some users report that playing 5.1 movies requires higher volume settings to achieve optimal clarity. Tweeter performance. While the bass is excellent, a few customers feel the system could benefit from higher quality tweeters. Customer reviews. NP. This sound system is perfect for my 12 by 10 foot living room. The bass is fantastic, and the surround sound feels real. The various modes like cinema and music enhance the experience further. Sushil. The wireless rear speakers are a game changer. Setup was smooth, and the sound quality is top-notch. Bass is strong, though tweeters could be better. Harsh. Build quality is superb, and Bluetooth connectivity is seamless. Highly recommend this for anyone looking for a reliable soundbar. Surya Prakash. The surround effect is excellent, and the bass is satisfying. Only drawback is the low voice output in 5.1 movies, but overall, it's worth the price. Why choose the Sony HT-S40R? Immersive experience. With Dolby Audio and true 5.1ch surround sound, the HT-S40R elevates your audio experience. Clutter-free setup. The wireless rear speakers and compact design blend seamlessly into any living room. Versatile features. From movie nights to music sessions, the soundbar's multiple sound modes adapt to every occasion. Brand assurance. As always, Sony delivers unmatched quality and reliability. Grab your Sony HT-S40R today from trusted retailers or online stores like Amazon. Don't miss out on discounts during festive sales for even better value. For more reviews and tips on home entertainment, stay tuned to Pedal Whisper, your guide to premium living.